So, you want to give Linux a go, but you don't want to completely replace your operating system or mess around with third-party virtualization tools? No problem. In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up Windows Subsystem for Linux with no additional tools required. Hey there, I'm Elliott, a software engineer, and I'm here to share with you some of the things that I've learned that have helped me to become a better developer. One of those things is learning how to use Linux. If you're working on a Raspberry Pi project, or just trying to set up a website, or even architecting some huge cloud environment, you're going to run into Linux at some point. And the easiest way to stick your toes in the water is to run a Linux virtual machine on top of the operating system you're already using. To start off, I've got a fresh, up-to-date install of Windows. No additional software is required. Hit the Windows key and type Windows Features, then turn Windows Features on or off. Scroll to the bottom until you find Windows Subsystem for Linux. Then check the box. This is where the magic happens, and Windows will apply the changes needed to run our Linux VM. It will ask you to reboot, and we will oblige. And when we're back, we'll open the Microsoft Store and search for Linux. There's a few distributions to choose from. I'm just going to go the latest long-term service release of Ubuntu. Let it download, then open the app. It will unpack itself, and then ask to enter a new username and password. Don't forget these details, keep them safe. At this point, you will have a fully working Ubuntu Linux install running inside of Windows, with all the tools you might expect to see. You can access your drives from the /mnt or mount folder. If I type ls/mnt, ls being for list, it will list my drives, and in this case I just have a C drive. I can change the directory I'm presently working in to the C drive using cd/mnt/c. If I just type ls again, it will list the files in my C drive. Pretty neat. Now that we're all set up, that concludes the video. But if you want to learn more, you can check out this video on learning the Linux command line.